Hello, and welcome to the preservation team's demo for our sprint number 5. I'd first like to call attention to the first of our sprint goals, the MOAB's catalog existence check, also known as catalog population. Our goal was to have the code written to be able to spin up an inventory of MOABs from scratch and have that code deployed to and executed in a production environment. We were able to meet that goal, and we've added benchmarking of the performance of the catalog population code to the preservation catalogs wiki seen here. Note that the traversal includes all storage routes except the first. The first storage route contains MOABs in a non-standard format, and per another goal, we're evaluating whether to convert those MOABs to a standard format or whether to code to that non-standard format. In progress is a rake task for seeding the catalog that will allow us to more easily automate the seeding process. We've also ticketed work for a sprint-wide patch party, our second goal, consisting of tasks whose completion will help us pay down technical debt. We've completed some of these tickets, and some remain on deck or in progress. Those tickets identified by the patch party label on our project waffle board. As you'd be able to tell by looking at code in our active branches, we're also continuing to build out the ability to compare and update versions of MOABs and the ability to begin validating MOABs by, for example, checking that they contain sequential versions. We've written and are reviewing documentation of how to build out RESTful APIs for components of our preservation architecture as we begin to consider how to expose calls to preserved objects in the catalog, and as we look forward to focusing on our checksum repository. We're also continuing to flesh out our steps to production checklist, which we're using as a roadmap towards a fully functioning production system. As you can see, we have advanced along 6 of the 22 steps. And as we move forward, we're also maintaining a diagram of our MVP's APIs, which has helped greatly in our development process. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for further developments in the Sprint 6 demo in approximately 2 weeks from today.